y'all? It's your boy J Cruz on the AUDIOZONE. There's a lot of noise because there's a lot of things going on, y'all. Let me show y'all what's going on. So we have Mr. Galen Miner's car that we can do all the carbon fiber doors, the trunk and the hood. We're actually doing a conversion kit on this one to make it a Demon 170. So y'all see that he's already doing the cuts. I'll show you what Adolfo's doing over here right now as he begins to cut this car and trim this car to be able to get this car done with the Demon 170 look. So it's not going to be the front wide body kit. We're just doing the rear wide body kit, making it look like a Demon 170, but that's that process there. On this one here that y'all seen the process of getting wrapped and everything on this one, we are in the process now of adding, we've done the hood, top, the whole car wrap. We're gonna add these pillars in the forged carbon, and we're gonna add the mirror caps in the forged carbon. So mirror caps, and those will be done now. And we're also doing on the front end an RGB badge and a couple other things. This bracket he had was broken, so we're redoing those brackets for him, and that's pretty much what it is. I can't show y'all the car that's back here, but that one could be for a big reveal that we're gonna be doing hopefully at the end of the month of July with CJ and Real to Real. We're gonna have a big car meet and do a reveal of that. I can't show y'all too much, y'all, but stay tuned if we get this going. But on top of that, we're actually doing a delivery of another vehicle we just built out. This is gonna be from Mr. Melvin Thompson, customer for a long time. Y'all can actually see what's going on her. So we actually did the tinted headlights, as y'all could tell that, and we also did a RGB kit on this. So let me show you what, a Flow Series kit. Let me turn that on for y'all. Get to my apps. Man Alex. And then let's come back here. Let's see, we connect to this bad boy here. Let's try to connect to this. Come here, add a device, searching for nearby devices. And let me get this connected here. Y'all stay tuned, hold on while I get this going. And boom, boom, boom. Open up the apps. Boom, boom, boom. Alrighty. And now let's get into this bad boy and turn these lights off for y'all. I see everything but what I need to see. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this going. You know, y'all can see what's going on. Flow Series is done. It got tin on it, so it's a little darker, but at night it'll be very, very visible. So I can make y'all see it. But I'm dealing with the app here. Y'all can see exactly what's going on. So that one is already ready to go for Mr. Melvin Thompson. I'm gonna walk him through his build and show him what's going on, and get this one situated for Mr. Melvin. So Mr. Melvin, come on down. The price is right. I'm gonna have you download the app. I got it on my phone for now, but I'm gonna just show you what's going on. So you wanted to get some Flow Series?
Yes, sir.
Now you got the Flow Series. I got the app on my phone, so I'm controlling it from here. But you could just kind of, you got slow designs, you got fast designs, you got multicolor designs. You can change anything you want to. You'll get used to the app as you start getting it figured out. Man, I'm glad you do, man, but she looks, only one thing, why you got a fishbowl, man?
Man, you know, I'm gonna get a tinted, man.
I just noticed, I'm like, wait a minute, we got no tin on this car, Melvin.
No tin, man.
Let's tin it up, come on.
I do gotta get a tinted, man.
When you wanna do it? Cause I can do it right now.
I get with you, I get with you. I love this, man.
I love the whole concept of your car, man. She's actually very beautiful. Mr. Kamara in the building. Say hi to the camera, Kamara. Okay. But I'm gonna download the app to your phone, but now you'll be able to play with it, and at night you're gonna have a whole different thing from the daytime.
It looks better than I thought it was gonna look, man.
Oh man, it looks real good. I love them because these lights are actually diffused, so you don't see all this craziness. At night you can look more like just a solid flow. But you definitely got that going on there. But that one is ready to go, Melvin. So now I did my part. Now you do your part, and we move on here, man. What do you want to tell the camera today?
Man, Connor AUDIOZONE, man.
Man, we appreciate that so much, y'all. But I'm gonna continue getting these builds out. We'll be back with y'all soon. What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. We have a lot going on. We just opened up today, but we have a couple different things going on today. I'm gonna bring to you this build in specific. We have a Dodge Charger, which thank God that we've done so many. We're really good at them. Took it to a previous shop. We're not naming out competitions or shows or who they are. That's irrelevant. He's dealt with this a couple times on his build. He has good equipment but he had a lot of failures, and there's certain things that we've noticed of why some of these failures are happening. I'm gonna give you guys a scenario. We're running a Nemesis 6K, and you guys that know about these amplifiers, they're very high draw. They require a lot of power, and when they don't get the power, they suck it from anywhere they can get the power from. If you don't have the right voltage and stability in your vehicle, you're gonna start having a lot of issues like burnt terminals, wires, all these kind of things are one of the beginning phases that happen for that. He's also had a couple of vocal failures. He's running a Nemesis amplifier for vocals, which is a good thing, but I don't know what the setup is, and the reason I tell you that, a lot of shops out there are not familiar with what Pro Audio actually is or what Pro Audio actually does. And I'm gonna explain to you guys 2 seconds before I get into going into this, but Pro Audio is basically what you see in churches and concerts. It's music that is designed to throw. So when they put these speakers and these items together in this field of Pro Audio, you're thinking about throwing vocals or throwing audio a long distance, and that makes it very clean, very loud. If you looked at any open show car before, or any kind of Spanish car meet that you've been to, especially with the Puerto Rican and Dominicans, we're very well known for this. When we open our trunk and we have speakers all over the place in the doors and so on, that's all Pro Audio builds. Gives you a great mid bass, gives you great vocals, very clear, very precise, very good. But it could differ between being with its SQ sound quality or SPL. Pro Audio goes for SPL. You still get a nice good quality out of it, but it's more designed for SPL, for being able to be loud. So this charge is about to be brought to the back. I'm gonna have them disassemble certain things from this build to see what it is I'm working with as a foundation. But my goal on this is to get the car to be what it has to be, where it has to be a performance build that he can enjoy his music when he's with the family or by himself, and when he wants to get down and open up those doors and open up a thing that he wants to have vocals. We are going to build this for him today. So to start the process, I'm gonna get Josh to bring this car back. I need to know the foundations of what I'm working with, so I'm gonna let the customer know that I'm gonna have him sit down. I'm gonna take this car to the back. I'm gonna have Josh do some digging around and see what equipment we're working with in the car. I need to know what module we use to get the signals off the factory radio. There is a battery back there, which we already know is way too small for the build, but I wanna know if they have an isolator to it, which is gonna separate the power signals, and I'll give you a little tech right now what that is. Whenever you have two batteries strong, or strung or actually connected together, they're fighting for voltage. So your factory battery is talking to this one and this one's talking to that one. If one's at 13, one's at 12, then the one at 12 is gonna start pulling power from the one that's 13, and then it's gonna come down, and then they keep on chasing each other down until you have some dead cells in the battery. So isolator is also a very important thing to build when you're doing batteries. It helps separate the signals, helps the battery stay healthy, only turns on to charge whenever you turn the vehicle. On top of that, having the proper battery for the amperage that you're requiring is also another game changer, because if your amplifier is pulling, let's say 3,000 watts of power, but you have a 600 watt battery, you can see like a big deficit there. Okay, there's ways you can play with that, but to introduce this today, I'm gonna have this car brought to the back. I'm gonna speak with the customer. I'm gonna start putting some of the build together. If he wants to be on camera, I'll let you meet him. If he doesn't, then y'all not gonna get to meet him, but we are gonna get to meet the car, try to get this car disassembled, try to get this car where it needs to be, y'all. So he does have a beautiful Puerto Rican flag that I saw as soon as I walked out the shop today, which I know that he wants his music, and I asked him, what does he listen to most? Bro, you guys already know what he said, being Puerto Rican. He said reggaeton. So we're gonna make sure that when we turn on this radio, we hear Bad Bunny across the street. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is what we're dealing with, y'all. Look at the charger, and yes, we got our builds here, but look at the charger for the day. He has some pretty interesting stuff going on with this car, but before we try to make it better, we got to know what foundation we're working with. So on this one, I could pop the trunk and show you what the first thing we're dealing with. We're dealing with two H-Series Nemesis badass subwoofers, y'all. We're dealing with the battery with a lot of burnt terminal issues, as you can tell right there. So that's another problem we're dealing with. And we're dealing with some powerful amplifiers. Let's see if I can get to show you those real quick in here. Hold on. Guys, so let me show you what I'm dealing with here. I got a Nemesis 1500 by 4. I see that I got 4 channels, but they're broken down into 2 channels. So it means we got 2 channels right here. We have an epicenter. We have the subwoofers. We have a lot of issues going on there. We can actually sell back here. There goes the voltage in this car. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna have my techs remove this radio and figure out how they got the signal created in this car to go from there. Stay tuned. All right, crew, so let me show you exactly what we're dealing with. I got the deal sold. On this build, we're doing Nemesis Pro Audio 6x9s. In fact, I'll walk you through the build. We got fans and stuff back here, y'all. It's hot. but we're doing some 6x9 Pro Audios in here, 3.5 Nemesis tweeters here, 6x9 Pro Audios here with tweeters there. We're keeping the same amplifier, we're keeping this box. We opened this up, y'all. This is what we found. It's an issue with the power supply, obviously. This is going to be the 4-channel amp install, the sub install, so this is definitely a failure. But we're going to take this out and install the battery down here. We're doing a new battery down there. We're going to have this go in a nice manner. Josh is the tech on this on board. I'm going to have him start dicing and ricing, make this happen, get this going. Huh?
Not a vacuum? You call me a Dyson?
I can call you a Dyke.
You call me a Dyson.
Dyson and ricing, man.
Yeah,
Cause you're a ricer because you like Hondas, and Dyson because you vacuum it up. But back to the build, y'all. I'm gonna let them start taking this apart, start getting this car situated, and get to what happened. What?
I didn't see this.
What? Yes.
That's our distribution block?
Yeah, that was the distribution block. So we're gonna fix that. I'm actually gonna give him a distribution block. I didn't even charge him for it, but I'm gonna give it to him just to make it happen, y'all. So stay tuned if we get this build going. Start showing you what it's gonna be like and how it's gonna be at the end. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, on this one we've been able to bring y'all the whole build. Fortunately, I've been very busy, but it is coming together right now at this point in time. And we've gone back to normal. So we're about to hear this in a few seconds and see what it sounds like, y'all. But I know it sounds amazing because I just heard it. Bring it up front, get the customer's reaction, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. All right, cruise crew. So I wasn't able to bring you a piece-by-piece build on this one. I got tied up helping. We had some staff members call off. Today is the day after the 4th of July. So y'all know that today is the 5th of July. So by the time I edit this, it might be the 8th or the 9th. But long story short, look at the young man who owns the car. He came in with those issues. We corrected it, definitely corrected it. I think it sounds so much better than when it first came in. And my results is one thing, but his reaction is going to be everything. Whatever he says is what really goes, because he owns the video. I mean, he owns the car. He listens to it on a day-to-day basis. He knows what it sounds like, and he's going to see what it sounds like now. And I want him to tell me his true opinion of before and after to see if he is really happy with the build. This one was Pro Audio 6x9s in the front door, Pro Audio 6x9 in the rear deck, Pro Audio H-Series tweeters in the rear, Pro Audio Nemesis Audios in the front dash area. We complemented all that to his 1500x4 that he had. He had a 6K for bass, got that in there, did all the tuning, all the accessories. We added a battery in it because he wasn't having a lot of voltage. Josh made a battery rack to hold it in place in the bottom. Cool, that's already done. Added a battery isolator to separate the signal between the batteries. That's already done. And now we have voltage, and we also have audio. So we're about to listen to this and see what his reaction is. During the playing of the music, I might have to pause because every 6 seconds, if we don't pause it, you get a copyright on YouTube. So when you're watching this video, if you see that pause, that's the reason why we do it. But then when we get done with the demo of the music, we're gonna have him talk and say what he has to say. But as of right now, what do you want to tell the camera?
It's a good guy right here.
Man, we try to be the best we can, buddy. I mean, it's hard, but we definitely do. And look, if you look on the TV, we got videos going live right there of AUDIOZONE, man. But that's him right now. They're going to bring it around now. We're about to listen to this, see if we have hit it on the money and got the customer what he wanted. Stay tuned. All right, so let's go and let's actually do something crazy. Let's go to open these doors up. Let's open up all these doors. And let's play the Gasolina from Daddy Yankee, because I know that that's a famous song from back in the day. And I think we have the results that we want to have. But this is what you had installed before.
I need the keys closer.
Right here. Not bad, but not Pro Audio. So now we're going to listen to the difference and see what the customer's reaction is. But now let's go to his phone. Cortez, connect his phone. Let's see what reggaeton. You see that Puerto Rican flag there, y'all? You see that, right? Yeah. So we about to see what we got going on with his playlist and how he get down with it.
I think my phone was actually connected for a minute because I heard one song.
Yeah. I started using it. I was like, well, I'm gonna go something I know is real clean.
Masterpiece, masterpiece. Ay, dime qué será lo que de ti me... Dime que vendrás, que cuando te...
Oh, the start button.
Y'all hear that, y'all? Clear. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. So Pro Audio travel vocals. So now the vocals are traveling.
That's a huge difference.
You're happy.
Very. Yeah.
That's all I care about. As long as you're happy, that means that we got you coming back. You're always gonna be with us, serving us, and you know we're gonna be here to be able to serve you, Mr. Cortez. But right now, you can go take your vehicle, you go play with your adjustment, put it where you like to. You're good to go, y'all. Done deal. He's happy. That's all we care about. Josh knocked into work. Shout out to Josh, the white guy who has a Puerto Rican flavor and got it going the right way, y'all. Anything you want to tell the camera, Cortez?
I'll be back, Jeff.
I'll see you here, man. I'll see you here. My guys over there yelling at me. What's going on, my brother? Oh, damn. Wait a minute, man. We sorry. We'll make sure it happens again. No. Anyway, Cortez is all good to go, y'all. Now I'm going to show y'all the finishing build of Mr. Galen's Dodge. He's coming to pick it up. He has some runs he got to go do, so that one could be out the door. I guess my phone's ringing, but I can come back to that in a second. Probably a president call. But Mr. Galen's Dodge, he wanted to go to Demon 170 look, and it is accomplished now. So I'm gonna show you what she looked like. Demon 170 out, y'all. Demon 170 means nothing to front, nothing, back, completed with the wide body kit. As you can tell there, she is wide bodied out, y'all. She is good to go. I think I finished up the cutting, and that one's good to go too. That means that we have another car out the door, y'all, and we definitely happy for that, but we're gonna keep on pressing forward and getting things done here at the shop. I'm gonna end this video, Galen picking it up now, but I'm gonna end this video always telling y'all thank y'all for watching, man. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.